Yes, today we are going to start with 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a the whole square equal to tan square a. What we are going to do is we are going to prove that first one to the third one and second one also to the third one, right? Now first 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a, we are going to take that is we have to prove that is equal to tan square a. So now what I'm going to do is 1 plus tan square a I'm going to keep as such, and this 1 plus cot square a what I'm going to take is 1 plus cot square is 1 by tan square a. Cot a is 1 by tan a, cot square is 1 by tan square a, right? Now I'm going to take LCM for the denominator. Now the numerator will be as such 1 plus tan square a. When I take LCM for the denominator, tan square a, this will become 1. So we have to multiply with the tan square a plus 1. So you see this tan square a and this 1 plus tan square a will get cancelled. 1 plus tan square a and tan square a plus 1 is same, cancel, and this tan square a will move to the what numerator. So this will become tan square a, hence proved. For this proof is over. Now I am going to take 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a the whole square. So 1 minus tan a will be as such, and as I said, I'm going to write cot a as 1 by tan a. So what I will get is here this 1 minus tan a will be as such, and for the denominator I'm going to take LCM. The LCM is as such tan a, and you have to cross multiply, you will get tan a minus 1. So this tan a minus 1 we have to change 1 minus tan a, that is in the numerator 1 is plus, in the denominator 1 is minus. In the numerator tan a is minus, in the denominator tan a is plus, so we have to change the sign. So what I am going to do is 1 minus tan a, I am going to take minus out with from this. When I take minus out from this, I will get 1 minus tan a. When you take minus out, this minus 1 will become plus 1, plus tan a will become minus tan a by tan a the whole square, by tan a the whole square. See, you should see we have missed whole square everywhere. We are going to do write it down, whole square. See here, this 1 minus tan a and this 1 minus tan a will get cancelled, and this tan a will move to the numerator with minus tan a the whole square, right? When you multiply minus tan a into minus tan a, you will get plus tan square a. Hence proved. Here too, this is also proved to tan square. See here, first one is also proved to tan square a. That is 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is proved to tan square a. Like that, 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a is also proved to tan square a. Hence, the proof is over. Hence proved. So going to the next problem. So this is the next problem. It's a little bit a big problem only. See, tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. Now we are going to start from left hand side. This tan theta, I'm not going to write the problem because it's going to be very big. I'm going to start from tan theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, and 1 minus cot theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta is what? Cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, and what you have to do? Uh, you have to take LCM for the denominator, right? Sin theta by cos theta by You have to take LCM. Sin theta is LCM. So you will get sin theta minus cos theta. Here you will get cos theta by sin theta. It will be as such. And you see in the denominator, if you take LCM, you will get cos theta is LCM. Here, what you will get? Cos theta minus sin theta you will get. So you will get cos theta minus sin theta. Now always you should remember that, see, this and this will get multiplied and this will get multiplied. That is, the last uppermost downmost, then middle two terms will get multiplied. So we are going to do that. So when you do that, what you will get? Sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, right? In the same way, this one will be cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Here you should see one thing, see, this sin theta is plus here, see, listen, this sin theta is plus here, it is here minus, and this cos theta is minus here, this is plus. So I am going to take minus from here, that is sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So when I take minus, it will come here minus. It will come here as minus. And this minus I am going to multiply over there, right? So minus cos square theta by sin theta into, this will become sin theta minus cos theta, right? Now take LCM. When you take LCM, sin theta minus cos theta is both present over in both the equations. So I am going to take like this, see, sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now you see here cos theta is there, sin theta minus cos theta is there. What is not there? Sin theta is not there. So you have to multiply this with the sin theta. See, cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta is there. So you have to multiply by sin theta. When you multiply by sin theta, sin square theta will become sin cube theta. In the same way here sin theta is there. Sin theta minus cos theta is there. What is not there? Cos theta. Multiply by cos theta with the numerator cos cube theta. So what is the answer? Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, right? And this is of the form a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? Huh? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, right? This is your, this one that I am going to apply over here. So what I will get? Sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta by this will come, right? Sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So what I will get? The sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta will get cancelled. The sin square theta plus cos square theta will become what? 1. Will become 1. So I am going to write it down. equal. See here, continuation of the problem. What we got lost, sine square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. That is what we got last. Now what we are going to do, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? 1 plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. This how we have to write, you know? You have to write 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. This we are splitting, right? So this and this will get cancelled. 1 by sin theta is what? Secant theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta plus 1. That is what we have to prove. That is your right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Is it clear? Yes. Thank you all.